Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in the Quad Leaders Summit in Tokyo on the 24th of this month at the invitation of Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. Reserve Bank of India has directed banks and ATM operators to provide cardless cash withdrawal facilities at all ATMs. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on Thursday informed that the government has asked the Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department to ensure that the prices of essential commodities and vegetables do not go up in wake of massive flood in Assam. Deputy CM Preston Tinsong on Thursday said that the structure of the bridge along the Maulai bypass has been affected due to heavy rainfall and repairing may take up to 1 week's time. The hawkers in Shillong on Thursday celebrated the submission of the state government to do away with the state enactment before the High Court of Meghalaya.